Ever heard of a blue ginger that's 10x more potent than regular ginger? Meet Galangal, an incredible superroot from Thai kitchens and ancient medicine. Today we'll explore 7 proven benefits, how to use it, and why science loves it. Stay tuned, you'll want to take notes. First, what is blue ginger? It's not actually bright blue. This root, or Alpinia galanga, has a subtle bluish tint and packs a spicy, citrusy punch. It's native to Southeast Asia and comes with several names. Lengkuas in Indonesia. Pa in Thailand. Galangal in the West. Interesting fact, it's a cousin of turmeric. And ginger, but contains unique compounds not found in regular spices. Now let's dive into the 7 biggest benefits based on research and tradition. 1. Fights inflammation. A 2020 study noted that galangal in blue ginger reduces swelling more effectively than aspirin. 2. Immunity booster. It's loaded with antioxidants that destroy free radicals. 3. Digestion hero. Used in Ayurveda for bloating and nausea, try it as tea. 4. Kills bacteria and fungi. Research shows it combats E. coli and even candida. 5. Heart health. Animal studies indicate it lowers LDL cholesterol effectively. 6. Anti-cancer potential. Initial research hints it may slow tumor growth. 7. Brain power. Traditional healers use it for enhancing memory and focus. Excited to try it? Here's how to incorporate blue ginger into your routine. Cooking. It's the star ingredient in tom yum soup or curries. Tea. Steep slices with honey and lemon for a soothing drink. Powder. Add to smoothies or use in capsules. Pro tip: fresh galangal is zesty while the powder is more durable. Where can you find it? Asian groceries, search for lengkuas or ka. Online. Amazon, Etsy, don't forget to check reviews. Supplements. Choose capsules or extracts for convenience. Important: don't mistake it for lesser galangal. Alpinia officinarum is much weaker. For thousands of years, blue ginger has helped with coughs in traditional Chinese medicine, arthritis pain in Ayurvedic massage oils, energy boosts in Indonesian jamu tonics. Modern science is finally catching on. Will you give blue ginger a shot? Leave a comment below to show your excitement. For more hidden superfoods, hit subscribe. We've got a video on green propolis coming soon. The content in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance regarding your health. Do not disregard or delay seeking medical advice based on anything presented here. Hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe for more, and share with your friends. Appreciate the support.